The first step is to select the CCD camera mode for programming. Adjust the camera through this area and manually find the mark point on the PCB board. Make the camera follow the mouse by left-clicking. Also turn on the lights, the machine can recognize more accurately. Click on Vision Flow to open the mark setting menu. Click the Execute button to calibrate the identification mark point. The machine can recognize the picture and then we need to draw the mark point more accurately by clicking the Execute button in blue. Long press the right mouse button to place our selected mark point in the middle of the green box. Repeat the previous operation, but this time we will set a more precise range to lock the mark point. Left-click to return to the Vision Flow. Click Edit Mark to modify the mark point image to improve accuracy. Select Apply and then slide the slider below to resize the icon. Erase the interfering lines around mark point. Click the Execute to continue. Go to the Edit box and click Add to add Mark E to the program. Then click on the location to pick up the coordinates of Mark 1. Do not forget to save the Mark 1. Make sure the number of X-axial and Y-axial in the Vision Flow and in Edit box are the same. Repeat the previous step to make another Mark 2. Usually we choose two diagonal angles to be the mark points.